Kia ora! Welcome to the second lesson on how many. In this lesson, we'll learn how to answer the question, how many are there? Forming the answer is quite easy. If there are between 2 and 9 things, we replace the word here with the number. For example, toko hia ngā tāngata. How many people are there? Toko rua ngā tāngata. There are 2 people. E hia ngā kuri. How many dogs are there? E rima ngā kuri. There are 5 dogs. If there are 10 things or more, we drop toko or e, and we start the sentence with the number. Toko hia ngā tamariki. How many children are there? Tekau ngā tamariki. There are 10 children. E hia ngā pune. How many spoons are there? Tekau mā ono ngā pune. There are 16 spoons. If there is only one thing, we replace toko hia ngā or e hia ngā with kotahi te. Toko hia ngā kōtiro. How many girls are there? Kotahi te kōtiro. There is one girl. E hia ngā whare. How many houses are there? Kotahi te whare. There is one house. Let's practice, while also learning some new words. Answer the question in Māori with the response in Māori. E hia ngā āporo. E whitu ngā āporo. Toko hia ngā pēpi. Kotahi te pēpi. E hia ngā kaputi. Tekau mā toru ngā kaputi. Toko hia ngā kaitaraiwa. Toko rua ngā kaitaraiwa. There you have it. Now you know how to answer the question, how many are there, in Māori. In the next lesson, we will learn to extend these sentences. Ka kite.